Hello you guys, and welcome back to another video. I was trying to straighten my hair and like really learn new things and try to figure out if I can have the best of both worlds of like straightening my hair and having my curls. But while I've been doing this, adding a lot of heat to my hair has been an issue. So I have been using my Revair, which has been a game changer. I've really been testing the limits when it comes to like how far I can take the heat before I start getting heat damage. The most important part of like having a silk press is making sure all of the cuticles are going in one direction. And I feel like the Revair just gives you that nice, smooth, sleek look. And it's not even a blow dryer. It's basically an air dryer. So it's not heat and your hair is not gonna get any heat damage. I'm obsessed with it. So my hair is already washed and conditioned and everything, my hair. And I've put some heat protectant on, but I'm gonna add a little bit more. I went back to my Tresemme. Ooh, I like how the spray just kind of dispersed a lot of product. Normally I'll use my Color Wow, but we're gonna go in with her because we're doing a protective style, so there's no need for like humidity products or nothing like that. So we're gonna do her. 80% dry at this point. If you want to avoid a lot of heat, stretching your hair before you even start blowing it out is a major key. I'm gonna re-wet my hair just a bit. I'm gonna go in with the heat protectant. Do a little detangling sesh. 7 levels on here, so I'm gonna crank it all the way up. What you want to do, because it's gonna be loud when we turn it on, so I'm not gonna be able to talk through the video. The handle, very convenient. Look at that. Once it's on, it'll suck the hair inside, and all you have to do is like rotate in this kind of motion like this right here. You won't feel like it pulling much, but you'll start to feel a little heat. The more heat you feel at your roots, the better. First thing you do is you click the on button on one side of the Revair, and then you flip it to the other side, and that's where you'll see the dial. I'm gonna be using it at the highest strength at the level 7, and then you get to set this. Of course, we're gonna go with high. So yeah, let's get into it, y'all. Stop it. Somebody come look at this. Somebody come look at this. That's what I'm talking. Oh, I love a good gadget, but this right here is efficiency. This right here is health. This right here is easy. All you gotta do is just, and then you just move on to the next section. Easy peasy. Just do a little jig if you want to. Look at that. Super quick. Yeah, I mean, the comparison says it all. Listen, there's so much that you can do while you're doing this. First things first, you can have a dance party. You can have a sip of water. You can even watch you a little movie or something. And the next thing you know, you're done. That's all I'm trying to tell you, okay? Good life. Smarter, not harder. We're done with hard. Who's working? Not me. All done, you guys. This is the final look of my blowout. Super duper quick. But I really like that it left my texture, especially for a protective style. I really need something with a little bit of grip. Y'all know you cannot really grip and plait and braid on super silky hair, so I didn't want it to be super straight. If you want to get it smoother than this, you got to do smaller sections, but I love that I don't have to do smaller sections so I can get done quicker. If you guys would like to try out a Revair, this is the best time to buy it. Around Christmas time they have deals. As you can see, you are getting an actual equipment. Like, this is something that you're gonna have for years to come, and it's going to save you so much time, and time is money. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.